Alright, it's Shay back again, and in this video I just want to go over one of the awesome campaigns, the Make Money Online campaigns that I've had going for a little while, and I'll just actually show the past month what it's been able to do. And I've chosen this network in this video because it's definitely one of my best networks, highest performers at the moment, but it's not the total though. This is just part of it. I use more than a handful of different networks that make similar amounts of money every day, or slightly just a little bit less, but when they are all added up, it's an awesome daily figure. So I just want to cruise through this one. I'm just going to jump straight over to the network, and this is it right here that I'm on right now. It's just defaulted to the past 7 days, as you can see right there. So 7 days is just defaulted to almost around 3,000 for the week. Today's the 19th of October, and we're just not quite through today yet. So today's still going, 500 made so far. So I'll just scroll back up. So what I'll do, I'll just put this on, we'll go a full month back. So I'll just go September. And I'll just choose 19 as well and just run that. Alright, so we have 31 days now total, and 50 is showing all that. So I'll just scroll down, go down to the bottom here. Alright, so as you can see, close to the $10,000 mark. And again, this is just one of my networks. Keep that in mind. This is just one. I have others that are, similar earnings to this, but when I add them all up, it's an awesome figure for, daily or monthly. And I want to show you how I'm doing this as well, and I'll get onto that in just a second. But I just wanted to show you through some of the numbers here. Pretty consistent. Some of the slightly lower days, days that we don't actually run the campaign, no traffic is running to this specific network. It'll either go to a different network, or we just won't be running traffic on those days, because it's, technically there are such things as some days are no good days to run traffic. And I teach all that to my students as well, and I can help you with that as well. So just cruising through some of the numbers. As I said, 280, 300, almost 300 again, 292, 262, plenty of 200 days, 400. It's really ramping up now as well. I've put a little bit more into this campaign with this network, so I am definitely seeing it pick up a bit. There's some 400 days, 464, 600. Right there, another 300, 658, 463, another 389, 350, 420, 586, $708 on the 17th right there. Alright, so yeah, it's looking awesome. This campaign's taking off, and I actually make these videos mainly a little bit more in depth than this to show the inner workings of it. But I usually only do this for my students to keep them motivated, because when I can show my students that it's not only possible to start brand new campaigns from scratch right now today, it's possible to keep them going for a long, long time. And this specific campaign right here, I've had going for close to 2 years now. Some of the other networks that I use, even more than that. I'm over the 3-year time period with those. So I'm giving you a chance to check out exactly what I'm doing right here to make this kind of money online. I'm going to show you what I do and much more, but you have to take action right now. I don't know how much longer I'm honestly going to keep this open for, because I'm not willing, honestly, to work with people who are not serious. I'm only going to work with people who are truly serious and really, really want to make this kind of stable income online. So if that is you and you want to find out what I am doing here, then take action right now. All you have to do is click the link in the description right now. There'll be a link I've placed just right at the top. Find the description, click that link right at the top. As soon as you click that, it'll take you over to my site so you can get access. And I'll just go to my site right now. I'll just jump over there as well. All right, so on my site right here, this is what you'll see when you click the link. So click the link right now. Then all you have to do is enter in your best email right here on the site. Okay, look for the email input field. Just type it in, enter your email in right here and click the Get Instant Access button. I'll then send you out an immediate welcome email containing a bunch of important information to get started. Okay, so as soon as you've entered in your email and you've clicked the big button, the button to get instant access, go check your own email address shortly after. I'm going to send you an email with a heap of information so you can get started right now today. Again though, I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to have this open for, so just go do it now. Click the link, enter in your email, click Get Instant Access, and check your email address for my welcome email. So I'll see you on the inside. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching my video right here, and I'll work with you really soon.